Hello everybody, welcome to the Definitive YouTube channel. My name is Sanu, the Metaverse designer here at Definitive Technologies. I'm here to show you an in and out of both the hardware and the software, and more importantly, on the exciting stuff that I work on, the Metaverse platform, addition to the Squirrel 2.0 system. So the Squirrel 2.0 platform is a complete end-to-end package with both the hardware and the software to solve your computer vision needs. It helps in both business, it helps in analytics, it helps in data collection and data analysis to give you the best models for computer vision to solve your problems. So a little brief before I jump into the exciting metaverse. How does the Squirrel 2.0 system work? We've built our own Squirrel 2.0 cameras attached to a camera strip. Each strip can contain about 6 to 10 cameras depending upon your need. All these cameras are then connected to a Raspberry Pi, which is then sending all this data to an NVIDIA Jetson. The NVIDIA Jetson is what does all our custom inferencing. Within the NVIDIA Jetson, we have our custom built computer vision models. These are a couple of models, around 3 models that run simultaneously to solve all your computer vision requirements. Having such a platform allows us to be very dynamic with where we establish our platform. We can establish it in retail, in factories, in industries, in airports, in healthcare, in multiple fields. Such diversity in our platform is only accessible because of our edge computing, which our partner NVIDIA allows us to do. Here's a shot of our custom built cameras. These cameras are attached in a strip, which then send their data directly to an NVIDIA Jetson for super fast inferencing, or you can have multiple of these systems located all across your store, factory, or industry, which send data to a Raspberry Pi and then send it to a central NVIDIA Jetson for inferencing. For super speed inferencing, we can have multiple Jetsons installed, and here's a video of the NVIDIA Jetson. So what the system allows us to do is to track objects that we have trained from our Squirrel cameras. Say an object is removed, say the number of people in your factory, say the amount of items present on a cardboard tray. Say in your factory you want to know the quality of products rolling out of your assembly line. Our Squirrel 2.0 cameras will pick that up, inference it within a couple of milliseconds, and then display the data on an exciting web page. The web page provides a comprehensive way in which you can view, analyze, and assess the data and make decisions on this data. This data can be business related data, such as how many objects are being sold at a particular time, how often are they being sold, on what days they're being sold. With such data coming at such speeds, you can make decisions far more quickly than waiting for a business report at the end of the month. Covering up more on the software, another interesting aspect that we have is the data flywheel concept. Because how quickly we run inferencing and send results, what we can do is we can take the results, feed it back into our AI model, train it to make it far more better, and then use that AI to far more improve your efficiency and your inferencing. And also what this allows us to do is, because we have multiple solutions deployed all across the globe, gathering all sorts of data and pushing it into one particular model, what this allows us to do is, as time progresses and as our customers increase, our models become far more better, far more efficient, far more accurate. With a far more accurate model, we're able to also target and help many more industries across many more fields. So now that we've shown you the whole process, a little bit upon how we build these systems. Now, once the hardware is set up, our job is to then take pictures and gather pictures from your particular solution. That can be a factory, that can be a store. Say a store is selling something unique. We can gather pictures of that. Then we send it to our custom labeling software. So this custom labeling software was built in-house by us. What this software allows us to do is to do computer vision labeling at breakneck speeds. Previously, if you were to label around 300 images, it would take you about a day to do that. Now we can do that within half a day. We're able to cut down time by half. And how do we achieve this? We achieve this by introducing shortcuts and having a team of extremely skilled labelers give us inputs on how to design these systems so that they can label their computer vision models as quickly as possible, as efficiently as possible, thus increasing our productivity to help more people all across the world. Now to the exciting part, the Metaverse platform. That's where I come in. So the Metaverse platform was also completely developed in-house. What the need for this came up when we had a partner of ours want to establish our systems in their airline kitchen. So our task was to help them monitor the food coming in from the aircraft and going out from the kitchen to the aircraft. So the airline kitchen had a very interesting problem and a very difficult problem. They had 100 to 200 gravity racks upon which we had to deploy our cameras. They wanted us to monitor what items are coming in, what items are going out, and to ensure that hygiene is maintained as much as possible to the standards required. This industry requires extremely high standards, which they find it hard to meet with solely human error. Now it is required for us to move away from humans to a far more sophisticated AI system to achieve this task with far greater efficiency. So to do that, we deployed our Squirrel cameras all across the factory on all the gravity racks that they have. And through these cameras, we were able to gather this data. Now, once we gather this data and pass it through our inferencing engine and display the results, what we found out is that all across 200 cameras, it's extremely difficult to monitor all this data coming in the form of numbers. So what we had to do was develop a platform in which the customer can view this data far more effectively and a far more better manner. Previously, if they required around 10 people to monitor our data coming in, now we can just do that with a head manager. He can look at our Metaverse platform developed by us using our own software, see what's happening in all the shelves, and also see if there are any problems occurring anywhere. He can see when the items are moving, how the items are coming in, to which aircraft is the item going, where is the waste coming, where is the waste being deposited. All this information is right in front of him live. And this can only be achieved through the Metaverse. So how do we do this? We use our custom in-house Metaverse builder. What this builder allows us to do is it allows us to build and establish our Metaverse platforms extremely easily. So this Metaverse platform is just like a traditional 3D builder. We've used the same strategies to allow people from all across the globe, all 3D builders, to access the software and use it very effectively. And there's not much of a learning curve. So we have the same XYZ axes, 6-axis rotation, all objects loaded in. Now you can pick up those objects, drop them into the Metaverse, and do whatever you wish. But where we are unique is that we're able to link the Metaverse with the data coming in from the cameras. And we do this using an MQTT protocol. MQTT protocol is an IoT-based communication protocol directly between the device and the Metaverse. So through MQTT, we're able to gather data far more quickly and display it in the Metaverse very effectively. Through this, we can get to know from which camera, which object is being taken, what is the operation of that camera. Is that camera meant to operate on waste? Is that camera meant to operate on goods leaving the kitchen? Is that camera meant to operate on goods entering the kitchen? We have the camera information coupled with the information of what is happening with the camera back to the Metaverse, with which the Metaverse can easily function. The way to integrate a 3D model with the Metaverse is very, very easy, just a one-click method. First, you place your model. Second, you go and specify what data your model wants to capture. Then third, you specify what movement your model would want to do. Does it have to show a number? Does it have to show some text? Does it have to vibrate or move up and down or change color? You can set these into our custom Metaverse, and there you go. Within a couple of minutes, you have your complete system set up and ready to function, ready to show data in the Metaverse in real time. Thank you everybody for watching. I'm Sanu, signing off in the Definite YouTube channel.